Many people dream about owning land or starting a homestead, but assume it's financially impossible. The truth is, there are funding options and programs that may help make land ownership more accessible than people realize. Today, we're talking about funding available to purchase a homestead property. Let's get started. Common funding options. There are several programs that may help buyers purchase homestead property, including USDA Rural Development Loans, FHA loans, Farm Service Agency programs, first-time homebuyer assistance, land financing programs, owner financing opportunities. Some programs are designed specifically to support rural development, beginning farmers, agricultural land purchases, sustainable living initiatives. What funding may cover? Depending on the program, some funding opportunities may assist with land purchases, housing improvements, water systems, farming equipment, agricultural operations. The key is understanding eligibility requirements, property qualifications, financing structures, working with lenders, real estate professionals, agricultural specialists can help you better understand available opportunities. Owning land and starting a homestead may be more achievable than many people think. With the right strategy, preparation, and financial guidance, many families are finding ways to move toward land ownership and greater self-sufficiency. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe for more real estate, funding, and wealth building content. And remember, land ownership is not just a dream. For many people, it's a long-term investment in freedom and future stability.